This house right here is a 4-bedroom modern house. I like the architectural work that this developer did, and it's selling for $250,000 or HCD equivalent. It's seated on a 40 by 100 plot size, and it has space at the front to park 5 or 6 cars comfortably. You can even change up the space and introduce a pool at this side or at the left side, depending on your taste. I like this graffiti wall on the porch area. I like the strip light that wraps around the cantilever and also at the top level of the cantilever as well. I like the static glass throwing in enough natural light. We see that from the inside. 1.5 pivot door right here, opening up, security door as well. Comes with multiple locks. You can automate this door and put a smart lock system as well. The 2 static glass I mentioned. Check out how the whole room is well lit and well lighted because of these static glasses that were introduced. Your TV wall goes here, 2.5 AC. I like the POP ceiling, not too giddy, just simple with few columns. Your staircase going up with your lighted, it comes lighted. Yes, powder room right there, 1 bedroom on the ground level. Check this out. This is a good room space. High ceilings enough. It comes with your strip light as well. Then over here we have a single bowl wash and basin, floating vanity sink, and we have your standing shower, your boiler, and your WC right there. This door, the doors are wooden doors, locally made, well built. It's going to come with a frosted glass that's going to max out this whole area. Your built-in closet goes right here. Then we come back to the hall space. This is your open plan kitchen with a small island space. You can put some bar stools for a dining experience. Your double door fridge, microwave oven, your extractor with your 5-burner stove, 4 gas with 1 electric, your double sink with a full, it's going to come with a full set tap. This door leads to the backyard where we have an outhouse at the backyard. Yes. Now let's go to the top. I'm enjoying this space. This is beautiful. Tell me what you think about this house. If you had the money, would you buy it? Tell me in the captions or the comment section. Sorry. Landing. Before you land, I like the strip lights right here and the static glass. It gives a different ambience to the staircase when you're climbing up. Then we have your family area right here. This is a whole room right here as a family area. This is a good size. Then we have 1 secondary room right here. Check out the bedroom sizes, as big as what we saw. It's about 35 to 40 square meters, built-in closet area. Then we have your ensuite bathroom. It's going to come with a soaking tub. That's why we have this right here. Standing shower. It's going to come with a cubicle with your WC floating vanity sink, overhead mirror, boiler right there. Let's go to the master bedroom. Shalaba. Yes. This is the master space, and this is about 40 square meters in total. POP ceiling with strip lights all around. I like CCTV camera already installed for you. Private balcony right here. Check out this balcony. I like this wooden accent wall at the master private balcony area, and it opens up to the front yard of the property. It comes with a security post. I forgot to mention that. Then we have, this whole space as your private balcony. Let's go in and check the walk-in closet space. This is your walk-in closet space. Then over here we have your shower, primary shower area. It comes with a concealed toilet, floating sink with overhead mirror cabinet as well. Check out the shower. We fine. Then that's your boiler right here. It's going to also come with a soaking tap, an overall soaking tap, which is yet to be installed. I like the fact that he introduced 1, 2, 3 windows. So the place is going to be aired out, ventilation, papa. Yes, this is good. And it's going for $250,000. Me for pay income, but $250,000 or SCD equivalent. And it's located at Ashongman Estate. So if you're interested, do want to give us a call. Let's book a viewing to come and see this property, and you will love it.